One of my favorite things that we do as a club is we do this blacksmithing at the library event with the Spokane County Library. And it's so cool because, I mean, while we try to keep our classes really affordable through the club, at the library, you get to come for free with your library card and walk away with, you know, a hook or a pin or, you know, whatever project you choose. And I think it's so wonderful to be able to have it be so accessible to the community. And I so enjoy introducing people to forging for the first time. Getting to work with hot metal is just exhilarating. It's just such an interesting material, and it's just really fun to get to share that with other people.